In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own TikTok filter. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up the TikTok app on our phone. Then you're going to select the plus icon that you see at the bottom of your screen. It's actually very surprising, but a lot of people don't know that you can create your own filter inside of TikTok. So to do it, we're going to swipe to the left. You can see this will automatically bring up different filters that TikTok has. But what you have to do is tap on View All Effects. Once you do that, you're going to tap on Create and then Create Effects. So since this is going to be our first effect, you're going to get this message. Simply tap on Start Creating. Now here, TikTok is giving us a small tutorial on how we can create our own effect. So we can add playful interactions, we can add makeup, we can do so many different things, add filters, whatever it is that we need to create a very entertaining effect. So I'm going to tap on Start Creating and I'm going to start with makeup. So at the bottom, it's going to show us different presets that TikTok already has. I'm going to take my glasses off so you guys can see it better. But you can even customize every single part of your makeup. So you can choose a lipstick tone. You can pick what kind of eyelashes you want. You can even play around with shadows. You can change your hair color. This is actually very great if any of you want to actually dye your hair. You can see how it would look on you. I like this glitter, so I'm just gonna click on the checkbox. Under 3D prompts, we're gonna have different things as well. Like if you want a little bit of a crazier effect, if you want glasses, there are actually so many different options. If you want to get a piercing, you can also check and see if you like how you look with it. Okay, I like these glasses. Actually, no, I like this hat better. Okay, if you like something, simply check on the check mark. And then filters. I love filters because I just think that they bring out the colors on any video or pictures. They have so many different filters, as you can see. I like this one. And you can even play around with how much of the filter intensity you want right here. Now, I believe that under Distortion, there are going to be different like funny effects that you can add to your face to get bigger eyes, a wide jaw, a big mouth. There's actually so many different things that TikTok has for you to create a funny and entertaining effect. If we tap on effects right here, we can even change the screen. So we have 4 screens now. You can get different vibrant colors, flashes, 3D screens. There's so many different options here. You just need to take your time, play around with the different filters and effects, and create an effect that you can use and that you like. Once you're done, simply tap on Done. It might take you a few seconds to load. And we're gonna give our effect a name. I'm gonna put glitter. Once you give your effect a name, if there's a current campaign that TikTok is running, you should also see it right here. You just need to tap on Submit. Now your effect will be submitted for review just to make sure that everything is great. And if your effect is approved, you will find it on your profile picture on this new icon that just appeared on the menu of my TikTok. It's going to be this little magic wand that you see right here. And I'm able to find the effect that we just created right under this magic wand. And that's it. I hope this video helped.